Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Flagship Appraisals. They're looking for a real estate appraisal reviewer. It pays up to $60,000 a year. We are seeking a real estate appraisal reviewer to join our team at Flagship Appraisals. Our rapidly growing company needs you to review appraisals that value real estate and assist in the completion of appraisal reports in order to drive company growth and organization. If hired, you will contribute to research, data entry, and valuation within the appraisal process. Responsibilities: research real estate information, review forms to aid in the completion of appraisals, value real estate, perform other office tasks. Qualifications: experience with full, desktop, hybrid, or any type of non-standard appraisal product. Real estate experience: must be detail-oriented, computer literacy with excellent typing efficiency. Possess a readiness to learn and desire to improve in our fast-paced environment. Ability to read, understand, and follow oral and written instructions. Pay, benefits, up to $60,000 starting pay based on experience. 10 days paid vacation. Paid holidays. Health, dental, and vision. Job type: full-time. Pay up to $60,000 per year. Benefits: dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, vision insurance. Schedule: 8-hour shift, day shift, Monday to Friday. No nights, no weekends. Experience: real estate appraisal review, 2 years required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.